Hello world, my name is Spirit Sariel and I am so excited to announce that my new book, Spirit's Guide to Healthy Locks, is out now. I created this resource as a tool for people who were curious about the lock journey or ready to maintain their hair in a healthy way so that it grows, thrives, shines, and feels good to you. I know that the lock process is a journey that is deeper than your hair. It is about self-love and embracing your natural beauty. And sometimes we need a little bit of help and support along the way. So, if you are someone who is curious about locks like I was before I got them, you have a lot of questions and you're wondering, how do you care for it? What do I do? How do I make sure that my hair grows out healthy, strong, doesn't fall off later in time, but I want to love my locks? This book is going to be a great resource for you so that you can get the in-depth process, the care, and the level of love that locks need for them. Also, if you are someone who has locks and you're like, I want to repair and restore my locks, I want to find out what is the best care for them. How can I fix my thinning edges, thinning roots, dullness, dryness, buildup, gray look to my hair? Maybe you have some questions that you don't really understand how to resolve when it comes to your locks. Then this book is for you too. And last but not least, ponytail shot. Last but not least, if you are someone who maybe goes to a stylist on a regular basis and is like, I want to now take over the reins of the relationship that I have with my hair so that it can mean something even deeper for me, then this book is going to be for you as well. And bonus, if you care for someone's hair with locks and you're like, yo, I want to make sure that their hair comes out good, that they love it, that it grows in ways that are strong, shiny, healthy, and lovely, then this book is also for you. So the book also comes with a video guide, and I'm going to be being myself, doing my hair, explaining a little bit of my process, my products, and the things that I think about when doing my locks. I try to keep it as natural as possible so that my hair grows build-up free and is shiny, glowy, happy, and smiling. Who doesn't want that? I know you want it, baby. Make sure you check out Spirit's Guide to Healthy Locks. It is at www.spiritloveslocks.com currently, and I'm working on getting a physical book too. Thank you so much for spending your time and attention on this video today. I wish you the best.